So your name is, again, just for the video's sake?
Lee.
Lee.
Yes.
And with Lee, what's the service?
Ullman Urban Sawmill.
Urban
Sawmill.
Sawmill.
I reclaim urban trees that would normally end up as chips or firewood.
Oh, you got to start the brother's milk?
Not right there. And then get up some. Good to go. Party? Gotta turn it. Keep going. All right, hold it, hold it. Now, get a little lawn maintenance to do.
Lawn maintenance.
I'm a little slow.
Say that again?
But, it's my first day on the job. I'm a little slow.
You get these
So the
grooves.
blade hit a nail, move the teeth or dull the thing off, but everything now is choppy. See that cut?
Right. You gotta change the blade.
Safest tool is the sharpest tool.
That's good. We want some good cliches for this video, Jim.
So what's your objective? What are you doing right now?
Well, what's happening is that damn crossbar right there
Is disappearing the car.
Sorry.
So how are you going to get it out?
Put back my head up in order to do that. So what happens is the space fills up the saws. silly as that sounds, that's what's holding it. Okay, what is? Sorry.
We're going to change the blade. Here, actually, if you took a picture of this purple stuff there, on the wood, the purple stuff there is because of a nail. So that nail was in that tree for many years, and then it just grew around it. And you screw up your blade if you hit these nails. You got to try to get them out once you know they're there. But that creates that stain right there. So we went through a few nails already, and now he's got to change the blade, which is another 35 bucks. But you can see, actually right here as well, I don't know this real well, and I might be talking out of my, you know what, but quarter sawn is this stuff right here at the corners. It's like grain that goes real well. All this in the middle here is garbage. So at this point, we're going to try to get some corner sawn out of here, and but he's got to change his blade first. This here is a debarker. So that's like a router. If the bark needs to be taken out, he uses this machine to actually skim the top of the log to get the bark off of it. But we didn't need to use it. He doesn't use it all that much. It's kind of dangerous. He says it's the most dangerous part of the machine. Now watch this over here. It's a bandsaw blade. Wow. Now can you throw it one more time?
I have a choice.
Yeah.
Now
Can you
turn it,
juggle
open it up.
Got it.
Get it? Get the sound too?
So hopefully.
Do me a favor and bring the jack over and put that in the truck.
Yeah. Let's see that, Jim. What thickness is that?
This is an inch and an eighth. That's correct. Been explaining it.
Different length. It's amazing. It's bright wood. It's hard to believe it's from a tree like that.
Yeah, right. And it's amazing how they can